Hello there, it's Erick Blackwelder, your local Woodbridge real estate guy for Prince William County, including Woodbridge, Manassas, Dumfries, Montclair, Lake Ridge, Dale City. Anyway, today's topic is how to get approved for a home loan before you buy a house. You know, I don't know about you, but when I'm out shopping, I have this reflex where just before I walk in the store, I pull out my wallet and make sure I've got either the cash or the debit card that I'm going to be using to make that purchase. Well, it works the same way when you buy a home. You want to know that you've got the buying power to make an offer on that home, and you want the seller to see that your financing is in place and ready to go so that you're a done deal. So, let's talk about how we do that. First of all, how do you find a good loan officer? Somebody with a lot of experience who can help you get the type of home loan that fits your situation. Well, the best resource is typically your realtor. Ask your realtor who they would get their loan through if they were buying a home for their family. Now for me, my choice is Vinny Apostolico. Vinny Apostolico. His number is 703-906-4040. If you didn't get that down, don't worry, you can have some time to find a piece of paper and I'll repeat it before this video is over. So anyway, what you would typically do is call up Vinny and say you'd like to come in for a loan consultation, and you'll need to take some items with you. For example, your last 2 years of W-2s, your 2 most recent bank statements, and statements for any investment accounts you have, such as a 401k or some mutual funds or some stocks, things like that, whatever assets you may have. Also information about any other homes that you own in other parts of the country. Next, what's going to happen is Vinny will sit down with you and listen to what's important to you about money. Perhaps you're a first-time buyer who has good income and you can qualify for the payment, but you're light on cash. Well, there are a variety of loan programs for people like you, and Vinny can share those with you. Or perhaps you've just sold a home, you've got a big pile of equity, and you're trying to decide if you're going to roll all that equity into the next house or if you're going to keep some as investment money. Vinny can help you with that too. Or perhaps you've got enough cash to buy the house for cash. Well, you could do that, but it might be wise to think about having a mortgage of some amount, and Vinny can talk with you about that. So, what he'll do next after he listens to what's important to you about money is he'll lay out 2 or 3 different loan programs that fit your situation, and you can pick the one that you like best and move forward with a written loan application. So he'll take your application, take your supporting documents, and submit it for processing. Now, don't be surprised if they come back and say, oh, you know, we need page such and so out of your tax returns, or can you provide us with documentation for this, that, and that. It's perfectly normal. Happens all the time. It's not a big deal. The next step is to obtain a loan pre-approval letter from Vinny. His number again, 703-906-4040. Anyway, he'll give you a loan pre-approval letter, and it will say that you are pre-approved, not pre-qualified, but pre-approved for your home loan, so that when we get ready to make an offer on a house, we will include a copy of that letter with the offer to purchase so that the seller sees, aha, I have a cash buyer, if you will, on my hands here, and it puts you in a better position, especially if there are multiple contracts competing for the same house. So there you go, how to get a home loan before you shop for a home. This is Erick Blackwelder wishing you a great day.